Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I will show you how to create a transparent text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, I will take a image. Go to insert menu, click picture and this device. Now I will draw a text box on the picture. Go to insert menu, click shape and click text box and type your text. Change the font. Increase the font size. Alignment and middle. Now I will make it transparent. Select the shape, go to shape format and click shape fill and choose more color. Make it transparent. I will add different color. I will decrease the transparent percentage. It is not good. This one is perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.